Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can check longitude and latitude in Google Maps application. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments at the end of the video. And let's get started. And first of all, please open the Google Maps app on your phone. And I'll tell you right away that this method works on both iPhone and absolutely any Android. And to begin with, select some sort of terrain that you would like. After that, click on it so that this kind of red marker appears and swipe down. And once you see it, the longitude and latitude, you can copy it, for example, easily. If you click, the word copy will appear, click on it. And that way you can now go to any messenger or message and send that information or that person to whoever you want. That's the easy way to do it. And also if you are sent, let's say, the longitude and latitude of some location, you can copy it. Then you go to Google Maps, click in the search bar, hold it down until you see paste. So you paste the longitude of a certain area, then search. And as you can see, it instantly shows me the area I'm looking for by longitude and latitude. So that's the simple way you can check the longitude and latitude in the Google Maps app. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, write comments, and don't forget to put your likes. See you soon.